Welcome back. So once you will click on select WordPress button, so it will show you this pop-up. Okay. Before this pop-up, it will show you an pop-up which will display the email ID and it will ask for the, you know, admin password to set and the website title to set. After that, it will display this pop-up. You just need to be the default values and just you can click on install button. So once you will click on install, it will take some time to installing the WordPress on your domain. And I just want to go through some important points why I'm considering WordPress. So basically, WordPress is a free open source content management system that lets users create and manage websites. It is the most popular CMS in the world, used by many websites, including blogs, online stores, and portfolios. Okay, and these are the features. That's why most of the people use WordPress. Like easy to use, it's very easy to use. Flexible, supports many deployment scenarios, large community, and also it is easy to use and set up. Highly customized with themes and plugins, SEO friendly, mobile responsive, cost effective, and has a large community of support, making it suitable for a wide range of users from beginners to experienced developers to create professional websites without extensive technical knowledge. So basically, there are many points, but two major point is it's free of cost to use, and another is it's very easy to use because there is no programming or coding skill required as compared to another website which is built using some programming languages like Java, .NET, C Sharp, Python, React. So there are many programming languages, C++. So building those websites by doing coding, it's somewhat difficult. As compared, this is very easy if we are using WordPress because there's no need of doing any coding and it's free to use. So these are some important points like it's mobile responsive, cost effective, free to use as an open source software with only the cost of web hosting. So basically two things are required. One is web hosting plan and another is domain name. Domain name is required in every field, in every case, like if any person is developing a website using any programming language, also domain name is required. Okay, so web hosting is also required just to put the files on that web hosting server. Okay, so there's some cost for that, which is fine. Scalability, large community support, and these regular updates, e-commerce capabilities, flexibility. So why choose WordPress for your website? So again, the same thing. And so this we have already covered in previous lecture. And this is the hosting your website. Okay, referral code. So let's see. So it has, yes, it has installed the WordPress on my website. So let me just refresh it once. So I have refreshed and I just need to click on this WordPress admin button. So it will open the website, admin panel. So here you can loading, and so let me close this one. We don't need this one, and okay, I also want this one, so I'm just closing this. So here you can see this is the dashboard admin panel of my domain, that is Om Real Estates. So if I will visit the website, so it will display just a simple website because this is just I just installed the WordPress on it, but everything is customizable in WordPress, which is the beauty of WordPress. So let's start doing developing the website on it. So first of all, I need to just go to the post and all post, and this is, I don't need this post, so I'm just going to trash it. This is by default once a new WordPress theme is installed. So, and also there are some installed plugins if you will. So hosting are easy onboarding. I don't need these two plugins. So basically, what are plugins? Plugins are uh, like as you on your phone, there's a Play Store. If you want to download some app, suppose you want to do shopping or you want to order food as an example, so you will download the some shopping app or like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Mintra, okay, and you will just do the shopping using that app. Also, if you want to order food online, then you download the apps like Swiggy, Zomato, okay, and you just download just order the food from that app. So like this on WordPress, plugins are like it is performing some functionality. Like this is the light speed cache. Basically, it is used to clear the cache of your website. Okay, so this is for the hostinger tool. Okay, so these are active now. First of all, I need to deactivate those and then I need to delete it. So what I will do, I will just select these two and I will, first of all, I need to deactivate these and I will click on apply. Then I need to delete this both. Okay, because I don't need this too. Okay, and that's why I'm deleting it. So I will see you like how to use plugins. So let me just show you. I was talking about plugins. So like these are, there are so many plenty of plugins which are free. So like this is for anti-spam, to for the spam protection. Okay, and WordPress, okay, BB Press, and you can search like I want to use the plugin for as an example contact form. So this is contact, so it will show you all of the website if I want to. So there's a very important plugin, that is WooCommerce. This is for accepting payment on your website. Okay, so here you can see there's something wrong with the spelling, so there should be double O. So this is a WooCommerce and this is for the integration of payment. You can accept payment from your clients or users. So this is very important and you can just install it. So after this of course, and you can use it on your website. This beauty of WordPress. So now appearance to themes. So first of all, let's change the theme. So currently this theme is activated and these themes are uh, installed on by default, and this theme is activated. Here you can see active. So only one theme can activate at one time. So like I'm going to activate this because it needs update. I don't want to update that. So I'm just activating this, and because this is a required update, so I'm just going to delete this theme because only one theme at a time is required to consume memory. Okay, and make somewhat slow speed of your. So only one theme is active now. So basically, there's one important setting which I need to do. I need to go to settings, and there will be an option of permalinks. This is very important setting. So basically, we need to be ensure like this option is selected, that is post name. Okay, so the all the pages with this domain name omvls.com, then sample post. If these are options, these options are not good for the SEO purpose, search engine optimization purpose. Okay, so it will, this is very good option. So you need to be ensure like this option is selected. And also you can just go to another option. I will show you that in another videos. So first of all, we need to install a theme. So currently this theme is activated, but and I will show you. So this is the theme, but I don't need this theme. I need to add another theme to make my site very beautiful. So here you can see this is right now like this because I changed the theme. So now the sum I changed the theme to this 24, earlier it was 25, 25. So now it is showing some values like this. Okay, so but I don't want this, I have to make some another. So what I will do, I will add theme. So there are three options to add a theme. Like one is you can search the theme from here. Okay, and you can select and install. Another is you can upload the theme. If you have the zip file, here you can see the zip format. If you have the zip format, you can just choose the file and you can just select the file where it is, and after that you can just install that. Third option is you can use any file transfer software like FileZilla. Okay, and there is one another software. Uh, there's FileZilla or I don't remember the another name right now. But you can use the FileZilla to connect with your this website, and you can upload the files on your this server or domain name. Okay, so but I'm going to use one uh, theme over here, that is tutor LMS. So this is just let me, so basically there are so many themes. If you will see, okay, this is, if you will search for LMS, we are going to build an education website, and that is called LMS. So if you will search for that, you will find a lot of free themes like this is. So if you will click on, and you can check the ratings like how this theme is. So here you can see it has only one rating. Okay, so and I can show you this has been rated at. So there are so many themes available, you can use as per your requirement, but what I'm going to use is, there's a very good theme, that is, here you can see this is also like a good looking theme. Okay, so but I'm looking for some. It is not showing that theme, I don't know why. So There's some mistake in the spelling. I think that theme has been removed from over here. It was earlier over there. It was with the tutor LMS theme. I think it's not available right now, but I have the uh, download file of that. I will share in the resources. Okay, you can get from there. That is very good thing, and that is free to use, but it is not showing over here right now. Okay, let me check in the popular. So this Astra is a good theme. I will this I have used in my another tutorial, but I'm just looking for that theme tutor LMS. Let me search again. Otherwise, I will share in the resources. You can download from that, and that is free to use and very good theme. So or might be they have changed the name. Okay, so in this video, this is pretty much. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.